Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will be doing an unboxing slash review on the House of Supplies nail subscription and icy box. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and videos. So like I said, here in this video, I will be doing an unboxing slash review on this monthly nail subscription. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to check down below in the description where I will be linking the website for these monthly nail subscriptions, as well as any of the products that I use here in this video, and also any of my social media will also be linked down below, as well as any discount codes not available. Make sure to also check them out so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money. And also do not forget to check out my last video, which will also be linked down below, as well as any of the videos that are throughout this one. And let's get on with unboxing the House of Supplies November icy box and nail subscription. Okay, so please ignore my nails. As you can see, they need to be done. Definitely make sure to comment down below some colors you guys would like to see on my hands, because maybe I will choose one of your guys' color for my next nail set. Make sure to comment down below. But besides that, as you can see here, I have both packages, and honestly I don't know which is which because this time they came both the same day, so that was good, but I don't know which is which. So like I did mention, I will be going ahead and I think I'm going to open this one first. I don't know, I feel like I could feel something here, so I want to open this one first. So I will be opening this one first, and I will also be using my gold vintage scissors to open it. Make sure to go check them out. I will make sure to link them down below, so make sure to use my code so that way you guys can go ahead and save some money.
Bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me.
And I don't think I've ever talked about their packaging, but look how cute the little bubble mailers are. It has their logo and it has butterflies and they're pink. I think these are super cute. I love those silver butterflies. I think it's super nice. But besides that, here is a quick little sneak peek. So the first thing that I see here are some crystals, which I have been wanting to get some more regular crystal shapes. So here, as you can see, I did get some. So I got these in AB. Here next stuck to that one was a little wax pencil. And ooh, these are so cute. These are little flowers. So there's like purple, this like peachy color, like a pink, white, green, blue. That's super cute. I cannot wait to open that. Here next after that, we got some of these crystals. And then last but not least, as you can see, some charms. So as you can see here, we got a total of 4 items. So first, as you can see here, these are some snake charms, which I have been seeing around on Instagram actually, which these look super cute. So these are big as well, but these are nice. I think these are really cute. So it comes with 2 silver ones and then 2 gold ones, as you could see. And honestly, I feel like they are pretty big for the nail. You would have to get them like a good medium, not even, probably like medium, no, yeah, like medium to long, I would say. Almost long, to be honest, so that way you could get these on the nail. But these look super cute, and this is what they look like. And look at the crystals, they definitely shine. Look at that, the crystals are shining. Here next, I have these crystals, which it comes with purple, this like clear color, pink, blue, like a lavender almost. And then we have this orangey color, and I have gotten these in the past subscriptions, so nothing new. So I already have these, but as you can see, we got some more. Next here, as you can see, we have these, which these definitely caught my eye, so I'm gonna open these. So as you can see, it does come with like a little wax pencil, a little small one. And then it also does come with these little flowers, which I think these are super cute. These would be great for the spring, just to like put on the nail, which look how cute these are. These are cute. And please ignore my nails. I know they look hideous, But I'm guessing it also does come with little caviar beads. So I'm guessing the little caviar bead is supposed to go in the middle. Let me see if I can get one. So that way I could show you guys how to, I guess you would put it on. So just like that, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. You could kind of see it on the white flower. I put it right here. Right there, as you could see. So I'm guessing that's how it would look, but that is super darn cute. I definitely will be keeping this and using it. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And then last but not least, like I did mention, we did get some AB crystals. So we got some moons. We also got some like nivets, I guess. I don't know. Some, well, actually these are nivets, I believe. These are more like marquise. These are like wannabe flames, but that's what these look like. These kind of look like emerald, or like I forgot the name of the shape, but there's a name for it too. And then some little triangles, as you could see. So these are the AB crystals, and now I will be opening up the next nail subscription. So again, I will be going in with my scissors yet again.
I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back.
Here's a quick little sneak peek, and the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and grab, again, those little snake charms, as you can see. Next we have this little paper, but again, those little flowers. Here next we got some more AB crystals, which, as you can see, these are different, so I'm very, very excited. And then the next thing that I have here, oh, these are so cute. We have some more charms. And then last but not least, we have some more charms as well. As you could see, for this box, we did get a total of 5 items, as you could see. So I do believe that this one is the icy box, and then the other one was the nail subscription, just because this one has just charms and crystals, as you could see. So the first thing that I do want to go ahead and open are these little charm bears. These are so cute. I have always been seeing these like on TikTok and Instagram, so I don't know, I never got them, but I have them now. So it does come with silver. Oh, these are different. They're not the, oh, your head moves. Ew. Okay, so this one moves. That's a little weird. I don't know how I feel about this one, but we have 2 silver ones, and then we have another little moving bear that's gold, and then the one with the heart, and then we have just 1 rose gold, which I wish it would have came with the other bear, but I mean, it's fine. So here, as you can see, this is what they look like. The crystal is shining, so it comes with 2 gold, 2 silver, and 1 rose gold, and these are super cute. I did already show you the snakes, but it does come with 2 gold and 2 silver. I also did go ahead and show you guys the flowers. So it comes with the wax pencil, little caviar beads, and different size flowers in different colors. So cute. Here next in this baggie, it comes, I believe these are like the zodiac sign charms and gold. So let's see. So it has Sagittarius, it has Capricorn, it has Aquarius. It also does have Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Pisces. We have Scorpio, we have Virgo, we have Cancer. We have, what else do we have? We have Libra, we have Leo. So as you can see, it does come with all 12 in gold. This is what it looks like. Definitely make sure to go ahead and comment below your zodiac sign. And mine is Taurus. Look how cute. So these are the zodiac sign charms. And then last but not least, as you can see here, I do have the AB crystals. So these did come with different shapes. So here at the bottom, it does have some flowers. We have some like some kites, kind of, but they're like a little wannabe kites. We have some like wannabe rhombuses. We have some chessboards. I believe that's what it's called. Here we have these. I forgot what these are called. And then we have these square ones, which also definitely comment down below if you guys like this type of AB or this type of AB. I prefer this. But I don't know why this one's different. I don't know if it's because of the cut, but yeah, these are the crystals that we got in this one. Okay, so as you can see here, we have all the items, and honestly, I feel like they're both icy boxes only because they both contain charms and crystals, which kind of sucks, but I mean, I don't mind, more for me, you know. But anywho, definitely make sure to comment down below if you guys got any of the same products or if you got any new products. I know that I definitely got a lot of new products, so the only repeated item that I had were these crystals, which I mean, I don't mind. So yeah, but I definitely love that I got these flowers, the AB crystals, because I did need some. These snake charms, I have more of the zodiac sign charms, which I love because you never know when you might need them. And then also these charms are new, so I'm very excited for these. And again, I do have doubles of the flowers, but I don't mind at all. I definitely really love this month, and I will definitely rate this month a big 10. Even though we did get this repeated, I don't mind because eventually I'm gonna get rid of it maybe or use it up, but I am definitely going to be using these products. And also the subscriptions are $12.99, so make sure to go shop. Link will be linked down below. And I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, as well as do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 15k. Well, actually, let me slow down. We are on the road to 12k soon. So definitely make sure to go follow, make sure to subscribe, make sure to go follow me on any of my social media as well. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a new video or post or story or anything like that here on YouTube. And again, don't forget to comment down below a color so that way I could go ahead and do it on my nails, because I will be doing my nails. As you could see, they look very much crusty, and also as you could see, my nails have been growing and I've been letting them grow, so definitely make sure to comment down below because it's been a minute. But yet again, here are all the products that I got. I definitely love the subscription boxes for this month, so I'm definitely excited for next month. Hopefully next month I get like Christmas stuff and all those goodies. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video yet again, and see you guys in the next one.
I really thought it